Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not installed on the application of Yazio. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will scrolling down until you find this window here of Yazio and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.